Well, let's face it, it doesn't matter what time of the year it is. A lot of you are out there struggling with your nasal passages. It feels stuffy, you can't seem to get on balance, you feel a little off balance, and you're just trying to find some clarity in your head. Well, I have an easy massage that you can do in the comfort of your home. And the beauty of it all, it only takes about 2 minutes of your time. And what I want all of you to do is, as you do this massage, keep in mind that it's one of those things that you have to do consistently, because if you take a couple of days off and you get stuffy again, then, well, you're going to have to start the rotation all over again. So what you want to do is you want to take your thumb and you want to press it right around the top here, right inside of the eye socket, right near the orbit, and you want to add a little firm pressure and then follow the eyebrows all the way to the temple. Then when you get to the temple, do a little massage there as well. Let's do it again. Take your two thumbs, put it into the corner of both eyes, add a little bit of firm pressure right near the, the space of the eye socket here, and then you want to follow it all the way across the eyebrows to the temple. And even when you get to the temple, give it a little bit of a massage there, just kind of a little bit of firm pressure. A lot of you don't realize that just doing this easy technique consistently over time, even right now, you can already feel the effects. It's going to start opening those nasal passages. It's going to start applying good blood circulation in this area right here. We have a lot of nerves, tissues, and muscles that run along the facial region. And when we go out into the world, we start to inhale all of the toxins and the pollens and all the things that make us stuffy all over again. We need a little bit of help. And outside of those medications, you're going to need to do a little bit more than just that. So try your absolute best. Of course, for those out there that have to be on medications because of doctor's orders, exception. But for those of you out there that are just trying to get by, you don't have any medication, you don't really take it as much, try to do things that are going to be the most natural for the body, because those are going to be the most effective long term and not giving you other side effects. So remember, last little thing here, press it inside the nose, run it across the eyebrow, a little massage right here. Doing that about 2 to 3 times per day, it's going to work wonders. You're going to start noticing your eyes are going to move a lot better. The dryness is not going to be as enhanced. A lot of you are dealing with dry eyes. Adding good circulation and blood circulation is going to actually help with dry eyes. It's going to help with all of these things. Of course, if this summertime for all of you out there, be sure you're drinking adequate amount of water. Nothing replaces water, but there's always a chance to do some of the basic things to get you back into good health. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.
Bye.